Yo, what's up? It's 12 with the Daily Art. I was on the page today. I saw I had an update to the discussion kit. So I wanted to see what that was. I jumped over here. It's looking tight. Okay. If I go to my dashboard, I see the discussion kit is now over here in the left-hand column. I have a way to navigate to a thing called My Drafts. My Draft is brand new. I never saw this before, so I'm hyped. Until today. So I clicked on that and say, okay. Boom. Now I can see my discussion drafts. So these are different drafts I have for my discussion. If I come over to my blog, I don't have any drafts for my blog. Okay. Well, let's see about published. So now I can go to hit blog and publish and see all the blogs that I've made, all the discussions that I've made. This is a really dope update to the discussion kit. This comes native to your MyPage. So make sure to get that 30-day free trial. All right. Peace.